Let me drive it my way.
Listen, son. You think you're gonna play a stupid video game about cars and you're gonna become a race car driver?
You don't have what it takes.
You should have stayed home where you belong. Real drivers, they're professional athletes. It's not gonna work. You're scared. You're not gonna be strong enough.
All I ever wanted to do is be a racer. I'm doing it, whether you believe in me or not.
I'm attorney Martin Nicholson from the law office of Martin Nicholson, also known as the Battery Man. And I'm going to give you my Battery Man movie review. The movie I just watched was Gran Turismo. And basically, it is a true story about a team of these underdog video game players that play the PlayStation video game called Gran Turismo. From that, Nissan thinks they can take these video game players and turn them into real race car drivers, which, spoiler alert, they do. And they race, and obviously they race very well. Now, the question is, in my review, I have 3 points. 1, not guilty of being a bad movie, guilty of being a bad movie, or it's a hung jury because it's kind of a mixed review. So if you like video games and racing games or PlayStation, Gran Turismo, you will see this as a not guilty of being a bad movie. If you're someone that is just like trying to watch a movie and, something maybe entertaining or inspiring, something like that, you may find it more of a mixed review, a hung jury, because it does drag on a little bit long and there's some parts that are kind of, frankly, I think boring, but then it does have its action parts with the racing and the crashing and things like that. Also, I want to focus on a couple other things. Batteries. Since I am the battery man, there were a couple battery scenes in there with somebody grabbing and pushing someone against the wheel, but it wasn't very violent. Just a couple scenes that throughout the entire, 2-hour and 15-minute movie. I will say that my final recommendation is, if you are someone that likes the video games, racing games, definitely not guilty. Go see it. If you're someone that is just looking for an inspiring story, feel good type movie, it's probably a hung jury for you, mixed review. You can take it or leave it. And that is your Battery Man movie review.